Hello and welcome back. This next video on electric ukulele playing is about The Ocean by Led Zeppelin. This is later Led Zeppelin and one of those songs that isn't always recognized by its name. It also has a funny rhythm because of its mix of 4/4 and 7/8 time signatures. But it's an enjoyable, solid rock riff to play once you get used to the quicker tempo, and we can practice the slide down the neck in the first half. That's fun. The problem is, as usual, that we only have 4 strings, and so I'm playing it an octave higher and adding some lower octave and thickening with effects to give the sound some weight. This is how I'm playing it, slowed down. And then there's no lag at all. You go right into the next iteration of that riff. So the timing is quick. Let's do it again. Like I say, you head right into the next riff. Okay, do your best, tune your uke, and let's play. 3, 4.